Hello class, we are going to look at some actual apartments today or begin a search. We're not going to use St. Croix LLC though. We will be looking in the St. Croix Valley for a little bit. We're also going to spend some time around the metro area and maybe around the U of M. So let's get started. We're going to do 6.2.
All right, we have two steps that we're going to perform today. Number one, we're going to brainstorm apartments, living situations, what you might want out of an apartment. And then step two, we're going to do some apartment searching based on some criteria that Ms. Hoffman and I will provide. Let's get started. 6.2b, finding an apartment. Finding an apartment can be fun, but sometimes it's a challenging process. It's important to find an apartment that fits you and your lifestyle, your budget, and other personal preferences. That's considering a lot of different things. In this activity, you're going to have the opportunity to think about what you want in an apartment or house, something that you're renting, a home that you're renting. You're going to calculate how much you can afford on housing. You're going to find an apartment that fits your wants and needs. Today, we're going to do more focusing on the research and less focus on the calculations. Before we get started, let's reflect. In class, we'll discuss what qualities do you personally value in a future apartment/home? A few options to consider. Are you open to roommates? How many roommates? How much personal space do you need? What amenities are you looking for? Are you looking for a simple shelter? Do you want a gym on site? Do you like toilets that flush? Are you okay sharing toilets with other people? We're getting a little personal here. How about modern apartment layouts? Do you want a dishwasher? Do you want to be able to do laundry within the building itself, or are you okay going somewhere else to do your laundry? How much do you care about the surrounding area? Think about safety. Restaurants and shops. What kind of parking is there? Do you need parking? Or do you need to be close to work? Or close to your friends? What else matters to you in finding a home? Now that we've kind of brainstormed and had you think about some of your priorities, amenities, comforts in finding housing, we are going to do an apartment search. There's 2 apartment links below. I've found that given where we live, more apartments came up when I used the AF apartment finder. This is what the apartment finder looks like, and you can type in a city or a zip code. I'm going to type in Maplewood, 55109, Maplewood, St. Paul area. And it gives me a list of apartments, and I can even sort these. Look at this. Let's go lowest to highest. Cedar Commons, 876 to 1400. That's almost as much as I pay on my mortgage. Ooh, there's a 1-bedroom. This place has 1 to 2 bedrooms. Oh, and look. So using that apartment finder, here's the first scenario. We'd like you to find a place to rent that has 1 bedroom and 1 bath within this zip code, 55082. That's like Stillwater, Oak Park Heights area. You type 55082 there. Then we said 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So if you go here to more, look, you can click on 1 bedroom. It limits your search, and 1 bathroom. And then when you hit done, it gives me a list of places. We'd like you to click around, look around. Ooh, this one says good value. Oh, that's cool. That must be a common area. So then on the table, I'd fill out what the price is per month of the one that I selected. Either the name of the apartment or condo complex or the address, and then the city in which you found it. Just because you type in 55082 doesn't mean it'll be Stillwater. It might be Oak Park Heights, maybe it's part of Bayport, maybe Baytown, maybe almost up to Marine. Scenario number 2. Let's look and find some different options. Again, you're going to use the apartment search. you're going to find a place to rent, and you're going to click on condo, house, and townhome. So you're going to search all three. We're going to search in Hudson, Wisconsin. It may take you to other areas, but as long as you just put in Hudson, Wisconsin, anything that comes up is fair game. Address. When you find a place, you're going to type in the price per month, the address, and the name of the place. And this time, you get to decide on the bedrooms. So tell us how many bedrooms that apartment had or home had with this price of rent here. If you want to limit the price, if you want to limit the price, you can type in a minimum price, like $400. You could type in a maximum price, like $903. You could search a studio here. A studio is not a one bedroom, it's less than a bedroom. It's like a big room where you have your kitchen and bedroom and living room all in one. Maybe you're interested in having more than one bath. Maybe you're interested in having it pet friendly, not necessarily dogs or cats. Or you're interested in type of laundry on site. Or you really want a balcony. So by going under more options here, you can define your search a little better. Scenario number 3, you're going to choose a place that has on-site laundry. It could be in your apartment or it could just be on site. You can define that when you're clicking it. And we want parking available. This time, you have to look in Minneapolis, Minnesota. You're going to tell us the price of the place you chose, the street or the name of the complex, and the number of bedrooms that you chose. As you get more familiar with this, we would like you in part number 4 to search Mankato. This time we're going to use that min-and-max part that I showed you earlier, and that is not under price, but it's under more. Price is where you set your finder to tell you highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Remember, you can set your minimum and maximum here under more, price, and you can scroll up and down, or you could type it in and then you hit done. And then the last thing you're going to do in this scenario is you're going to list 2 of the amenities that you found about the place. The arrow over and look at the different pictures and see whether other amenities I see. Oh, I saw one. Garage. That's an amenity I could list. Playground. That's another amenity I could list. If you scroll down or click on things, you may find other amenities listed. For example, as I'm scrolling down on Genevaville, some more information about it. Sometimes it lists a pool, like a party room that you could check out, rent out. Oh, this one says it's got a laundry facility, so I could list that as an amenity. High-speed internet access. So scroll down, play around, see what you can find for amenities as you list them. Have fun searching, and have a good day.